Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to withdraw money from Wise in Colombia. This process ensures your funds are transferred safely and efficiently to your local bank account. Let's get started. First, log into your Wise account via the app or website. Next, go to the Balances or Account section and select the currency you want to withdraw. Then, click on Send or Withdraw and choose Bank Account as the destination. Enter your Colombian bank account details, including account number, bank name, and any additional information required. After entering the details, confirm the amount you want to withdraw and review the transfer fees and estimated delivery time. Finally, submit the request. Wise will process your withdrawal, and the funds will arrive in your Colombian bank account within the specified time frame. You'll receive a notification once the transfer is complete. That's it. Withdrawing money from Wise in Colombia is simple, secure, and fast when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.